Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox the premium quality of rubber band of kids from Meesho. This pack comes with 12 vibrant multicolor bands and I can't wait to show you what's inside. First off, let's talk about the quality. These bands are made from soft durable fur material that feel great against the skin. They are perfect for kids of all ages and are designed to hold hair securely without pulling or causing discomfort. Now let's dive into the colors. This pack features a beautiful mix of shades. Think bright pink, cool blue, and sunny yellow. And more, the variety makes it easy for kids to match their hair accessories with any outfits or mood. Plus, they are ideal for all kinds of hairstyle, whether it's a ponytail, braid, or just a fun half. The price is just 100 for 12 bands. That's an incredible deal for such quality and variety. You won't find this kind of value anywhere else. As I unpack them, I can already see how elastic and stretchy they are. They bounce back perfectly after being stretchy, which means they will last through all those playful days without losing their shape. Overall, I am really impressed with this fur band from Meesho. They are not just functional but also super stylish. If you are looking for affordable and high quality accessories for your kids, I highly recommend checking this out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. If you want to purchase this product, the next link is in description box. You can check it out. And you found this review helpful, and let me know in the comment if you have tried this rubber band, or if you have any favorite hair accessories. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my